Set to go through the circle.
Yeah, okay.
Come on!
Let's get out of here. It's gonna rain.
Bisaya ko, irespeto ko.
Your feet. Like that. You tell them the story.
Hi guys, this is us on a bike racing, right?
Your feet, look at that.
Crazy, but I will be careful because when I make a wrong move, we will totally be hurt right now. But this is okay, right? Awesome! Everything awesome!
Yes, everything is the same when you're part of the team. Yeah, right.
Hi guys, I know. Alright, hi guys, okay. That's, oh yeah, we're back. But we found, as we were riding, our tire just popped up. Back in the earlier, that popped. Now we will just walk our way to the place. I hope we don't get stranded. Wait. Don't watch me, I'm gonna take a peek.
One eternity later.
Continue the journey to what? What happened to our bicycle?
It popped while we're riding it.
Where are we going?
We're gonna buy bananas.
Okay. It's too hot.
Okay.
Now we're here. We'll buy what? Come on.
Okay.
You'll buy what? No, don't touch it. What? What? No, we'll just eat banana with sugar. Okay? You ask ate.
I wanted a banana with sugar. Is it banana with sugar?
No, that's not a banana with sugar. Just sit down. Wait, okay.
We're at the sand. We have been here like for minutes now. Doesn't take me fun.
2,000 years later.
The banana
Yay! But I just also wanted to buy chicken.
We don't have money, sorry.
Daddy, you should have bought us extra money.
Okay. Next time. Okay, bye.
I'm just gonna.
Where have you been?
We're still gonna make it to home. We're almost there. So I have to do this.
Slowly.
I'm happy that we're finally gonna get home.
Bye.
Because we're happy. Because we're so excited to go home and get this yummy food with us.
Bye.
Okay.
Why?
Because all of this running.
No, don't go there. What do you want to say to your subscribers?
Have you? If you don't notice, we haven't making. If you haven't noticed, we are making. If you haven't noticed, we have not making. We have taken a break from making videos. Yes, we know. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, that's what Mommy told us to take a break from making videos. We have to. So let's just go. We're near. We're near. I can feel it.
Yeah, that's your home.
Finally.
Call your brother.
Brother. Brother! Brother! Brother!
There's your brother. Go, your brother.
Hey, mate. Hey, brother. What's going on? Hey, I'm back. You know, back from getting the bananas from the guy.
Why you close the gate?
It's okay. I don't want to eat bananas.
Just like banana?
Yes, you remember. You didn't remember. Remember?
Hey, wait.
Mommy.
Okay.